How we doing, everybody? I'm Dustin Brevet, Senior Group Product Manager here at Laticrete for Membrane Shower Systems and Floor Heat, and today I have an introductory video for our new Peel and Stick HydroBand accessories. So what makes these so great? We know that one of the number one pain points is treating corners, coves, transitions, and nail penetrations. This new suite of products is going to allow you to do that in one step. It's going to be seamless and allow for the quickest possible time to flood test and quickest possible time to tile. So what's included in this suite of products? We have sealing tape, which is going to come in 33, 66, and 99-foot increments. We have nail penetration circles, which are going to come in rolls of 200, and it'll be as simple as peeling off wax paper and putting over any nail penetrations to guarantee waterproofness. We'll have a pipe collar option, and also inside and outside corners. All will come with a traditional release liner that can be simply peeled away, press fit into place, wait a small amount of time, and you're good to go. Last to note, all of these products will be compatible with all of our various waterproofing methods, whether it be our HydroBand sheet membrane, our HydroBand board, or our liquid applied waterproofing. All these products are set to launch in the back half of 2025. So for more updates and more information, be sure to contact your local Laticrete rep, your distributor of choice, or you can check back here at laticrete.com or all of our various social media feeds. Thank you.